Hi everyone! I'm Lénaïg
and Mathilde.
We're both students that have just graduated college, and we will be giving you some advices and some tips on how to survive to your college years.
Tip number 1, get to know how your university works. Transitioning from high school to university can feel overwhelming at first. The goal is to get to know your environment. It's important to visit your campus beforehand so you'll learn where your classrooms are, the restaurant, the library, the administration offices. It will prevent you from getting lost on your first day.
Feeling a bit lost at first is completely normal. It will take time. Don't be afraid to ask questions to your professors, other students, members of the administration. They are here to help you and to guide you at any given moment. Here at the UBS, we organize the Welcome Days. For one entire afternoon, you'll be able to meet all the services and the campus associations. Make sure to be there.
Tip number 2, how to succeed academically. First of all, you'll have to become more independent. It's up to you to find the type of organization that works best for you. Try to use highlighters, make lists, or calendar to plan ahead your exams or your homeworks. If you can afford it, owning a computer can be helpful. It will make your note-taking easier.
A good organization will help you reduce your stress and anxiety. Try to work a little every day. Try to always be consistent. Also, having trustworthy classmates can be a plus. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Tip number 3, how to make your student life a happy experience. Going through your university years can be stressful. You have to prioritize your mental health and social life. Making friends at university can be a bit difficult. To make it easier, you can join an association or a group chat on social media. It will also help you to keep up with the events on campus to meet new people.
Also, don't forget your passions or your hobbies. Sport, cinema, music options will allow you to meet people with the same interests as you. Make sure to have fun and make your college years memorable.
Thank you for listening. Bye, everyone.